Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Mumbai Carboy. Yes, today we are with another video. Unfortunately, again, it is an issue. This time, it is an issue with the malfunction key on the cluster. You can see right now the orange light is lit. I'm not sure why exactly this happened, but this happened during my ride to Malshej Ghat, where I was approximately we have almost 130 140 kilometers crossed, and we had this light that automatically popped up. Now, when this light popped up, it actually the bike jerked, so I knew that there was something wrong that went in, and then the light came in. So then overnight, when we kept the bike, the light the next morning when I actually started the bike, it was gone again. But again, when I did approximately 80 to 90 kilometers coming back to Mumbai, again it actually occurred. So then I said, instead of going home directly, why don't I go directly to the service center and get it rectified? You can see Raju actually doing a check. This is the same machine that they used to do the ECU update. So he's checking exactly to see what error it shows. So this is the best part of this bike. It's like the connectivity is very nice. It's like my Ford car as well. You put the device, it will tell you exactly which ABS is not working, what is not working. So this is exactly what we are trying to figure out what exactly happened. So we had to start and turn off the bike a couple of times, because that's when the machine reads exactly what's wrong with the bike. So let's go ahead and see what Raju has to say and what error does come, if there's an error or not that comes onto the bike, and let's see how it is going to be rectified soon. So we are directly come from the ride over here at Ishna Wheels. Again, there's an issue with Leila, and this time they have done the scanner, and it is mag side injector circuit open. That is the error showing. That's the reason the malfunction key is coming on the bike. So Raju is right now going to test the bike and see what is the issue, because he did I think reformatted it with the machine with the device. That's I'm going to put a screenshot of the error. Let's see what happens, and we'll wait for Raju to come in.
So yes, Laila is back. The issue is solved. We had to only reset it with the machine. So finally, I'll go and test it out and see if it actually happens again.
The ride home was beautiful. We did not face that issue again. I did approximately 100 and 120 speeds as well, kilometers per hour, and I did a very good ride back home. Of course, yes, it was only due to the problem where the ECU I think was giving an error, and it had to be reformatted with the machine that you've seen. After that, I have not got any issue with the malfunction key as of such. But I know there are many people also who say that at times they get issues with the engine not raving, and it falls down 1000 RPM automatically when you leave the accelerator. It has happened to me once before, but now no. So at the moment, the ECU, the engine malfunction key is now proper. I have no issues. You can see Leila right there back as well. Well, this is Mumbaikar boy saying thank you so much, guys, for all the love. Please do leave your comments below. If you have such an issue where you're showing the ignition malfunction key, engine malfunction key, please get it rechecked, get it reset as soon as possible, and you should be all good to go. Well, this is Mumbaikar boy saying thank you so much, guys. See you on a next vlog. Bye bye.